What if cities could sense, learn, and respond to us? Imagine streets free of traffic jams, where AI coordinates vehicles seamlessly, reducing commute times by up to 30%. AI and real-time data choreograph every movement, turning urban chaos into perfect harmony.
Robots help maintain cleanliness, deliver essentials, and support citizens, creating a city that cares for its inhabitants.
Fresh food grows on walls, reducing transport and emissions, feeding millions sustainably. AI balances energy in real time, ensuring clean power is always available while reducing waste and carbon footprints. Sensors detect leaks, predict shortages, and optimize distribution, making every drop count in urban ecosystems. Cities anticipate storms, floods, and heat waves, adapting instantly to protect lives and property. Smart interfaces transform everyday city life, making navigation, learning, and engagement intuitive and inspiring. Every light knows when and where it is needed, saving energy while enhancing safety and aesthetics. Sensors constantly monitor infrastructure, predicting failures before they happen, preventing disasters, and saving lives. Autonomous public transport reduces congestion and pollution, connecting neighborhoods seamlessly. Renewables power the city autonomously, reducing carbon footprints drastically. Cities detect danger in real time, responding faster than humans ever could.
Empowered citizens access live environmental insights, making smarter daily choices and fostering healthier urban living.
Buildings adapt dynamically to their environment, enhancing comfort, reducing energy, and shaping cities that breathe with us. A city that recycles itself, eliminating pollution while learning from every discarded item.
Urban greenery regulates climate, cleans air, and nourishes communities sustainably.
When catastrophe strikes, AI coordinates rescue operations faster than any human team, minimizing loss and chaos.
Autonomous delivery ensures vital supplies reach citizens instantly, even during lockdowns or emergencies. Next-gen high-speed transit links distant neighborhoods in minutes, redefining urban reach and lifestyle. No more circling for hours. AI finds the perfect parking spot, reducing traffic and stress instantly. Every pathway reacts to human presence, improving safety, accessibility, and visual harmony. Roads sense wear and tear, adapt to traffic patterns, and alert maintenance crews before damage escalates. Cities constantly monitor and improve the air we breathe, making pollution almost invisible. AI-guided drones restore green spaces autonomously, reducing heat islands and improving mental well-being. Fountains sense your needs, providing optimal hydration while conserving resources. Beneath our feet, unseen systems hum, maintained autonomously for uninterrupted city life. Tech empowers the elderly and disabled, ensuring urban life is accessible for all.
Cities predict where help is needed before disaster strikes, optimizing human safety.
Public transport adapts in real time, ensuring everyone reaches their destination efficiently and safely. Cities recycle almost everything automatically, turning trash into resources for a circular economy. Smart cities anticipate extreme weather, deploying defenses before disaster strikes.
Your city monitors your environment, guiding you to safer, healthier spaces every day.
Streetlights think, enhancing safety, aesthetics, and energy efficiency simultaneously. Vertical farms powered by AI grow fresh produce efficiently, integrating food production directly into city life. Traffic chaos minimized as cars autonomously find their perfect spot, saving time, energy, and patience. AI and robotics empower everyone, ensuring no citizen is left behind in the urban landscape. Cities respond to danger faster than humans, saving countless lives.
Every citizen can see the invisible forces shaping their city. Traffic, pollution, and energy, all at a glance.
AI balances energy in real time, ensuring clean power is always available where it's needed. Cities regrow themselves, creating lush green havens in concrete jungles. Water becomes intelligent, refreshing citizens while conserving resources for a sustainable future. Beneath our feet, autonomous systems maintain the arteries of the city, ensuring safety and efficiency unseen. Emergency response anticipates traffic and need, saving lives faster than ever before. With personalized data at their fingertips, citizens make smarter, healthier, and more sustainable decisions daily. Parks adapt to human presence, creating immersive, healthy, and enjoyable environments for all.
Imagine a city that listens, reducing stress and promoting calm through intelligent soundscapes.
Congestion becomes a thing of the past as cities sense, predict, and respond instantly to traffic patterns. Smart transit ensures every corner of the city is accessible, efficient, and interconnected.
Buildings now inspect themselves, preventing accidents before they happen.
Your city delivers vital goods autonomously, even in emergencies, ensuring continuity and care. Every step you take is guided by intelligence, safety, and immersive technology seamlessly integrated. Disasters are predicted, mitigated, and sometimes prevented by cities that sense danger before it arrives.
Information is no longer invisible. Every citizen sees real-time data shaping their world.
Renewable energy and AI combine to power cities efficiently, reliably, and sustainably. Urban greenery now grows autonomously, cooling cities, cleaning air, and inspiring awe. Technology extends human ability, making urban life accessible and efficient for everyone.
The city itself celebrates with you, enhancing experiences through smart design.
Waste transforms into resource streams, creating cities that recycle themselves continuously. In crises, cities predict needs, ensuring help reaches those who need it most before disaster strikes. Every citizen gains insight into well-being, environmental exposure, and lifestyle, enhancing quality of life. Nature and technology merge, allowing cities to grow smarter and greener organically. Cities predict infrastructure failures, saving lives before accidents happen.
Goods reach their destination faster than ever, making urban life seamless and efficient.
Every step, every turn is enhanced by intelligence embedded in the city itself. Urban nature thrives independently, ensuring beauty and sustainability in every corner. Traffic chaos becomes a thing of the past as AI orchestrates movement with precision. The city thinks as one, sensing, analyzing, and acting continuously to enhance life. Imagine living in a city that inspires awe every day, where every system communicates, creating a living, breathing city in sync with its inhabitants. Cities protect, assist, and guide citizens autonomously, responding faster than any human team could. The city of tomorrow is alive, intelligent, and adaptive, shaping a future we only dreamed of. Every action, every interaction, is enhanced by intelligence woven into the urban fabric. From life-saving services to daily convenience, cities anticipate and act with precision beyond imagination.
Smart cities don't replace us. They enhanced us, creating urban environments designed for life, health, and wonder.
The potential of smart cities is limitless, combining technology.
Follow for more science in short moments.